In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image resolution in Photoshop without losing quality. First, open your image in Photoshop. You can drag the file into the workspace or use the File menu to open it. Either way, make sure the image you want to adjust is active. With the image open, head up to the top menu and choose Image, then Image Size. This opens the Image Size dialog box, which is where all the important settings live. Inside this dialog, look for the resolution field. You'll see it measured in pixels per inch, often written as PPI. This number tells printers how densely to pack your existing pixels into each inch of paper. On screens, resolution metadata doesn't change how the image looks, the total pixel dimensions do. For print, a common target is 300 ppi for sharp results, while for web or on-screen use, values like 72 or 96 ppi are standard because screen display relies on pixel dimensions rather than the ppi tag. Type the new resolution you want in that resolution field. As you do this, pay attention to the width and height shown above. These document size numbers are tied to your resolution and will update depending on your resampling choice. This brings us to a key decision: whether to check or uncheck resample. If resample is unchecked, Photoshop keeps the pixel dimensions exactly the same and only updates the resolution metadata. That means the total number of pixels doesn't change. Instead, the physical print size changes. For example, increasing the resolution from 150 to 300 ppi will halve the print width and height while preserving every pixel. This is ideal when you want to prepare a file for print without altering image data. If resample is checked, Photoshop will add or remove pixels to match the new resolution, which changes the actual file size and pixel count. Increasing resolution with resample on is called upsampling. It can make the image larger in pixels, but may soften detail. Decreasing it is downsampling, which throws away pixels and can reduce file size. Keep an eye on the pixel dimensions at the top of the dialog and use the preview to judge quality. Photoshop automatically chooses an interpolation method, and subtle changes often look fine, but large jumps can show artifacts. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply. Your image will update immediately, and you can always undo if you want to compare. That's all it takes to set the right resolution for print or web whilst